just in the last 15 minutes it started snowing really hard. This is the first heavy band we're going to get. You can see it's already drifting. It's really coming down. Look at that. Can't see anything. It's already getting white out. You can see down the street. Very reduced visibility. The roads are snow covered. Winds are blowing northeast. It's really already snowing really hard. Lots of blowing and drifting. Look at that. It's really bad. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna turn the other way, so. Okay, yeah. So. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me that good because I have my face, or my mouth in my coat, but it's about 3:30. So you can see, it's been snowing here for a while now. We already got almost foot deep snowdrift here. You can see it's really getting bad. Oh dang. Here. Okay, the winds are probably 40 miles an hour. You can't see across the street. It's a blizzard. Look at this. Here's the snow. Snow drifts are about 3 feet deep. So, oh my god. Sticks are down, snowdrift here. Oh my god, we're in the feet here. Look at this. Look at this. You probably can't see my head. I don't know if you can see this. Snowdrifts right here are about 2 feet deep. There's sticks down on the ground. You can't see anything. This is the best storm I've ever seen. I've never seen this. I can't even see. Look at that. That's a couple feet deep snowdrift. Oh my god. I can't see. It's just foot. I don't know if you can see that. Just coming in sheets. That's lightning right there. Okay. You can't see across the street. The snowdrifts are about 4 feet deep already. I'll show you that in a little bit. Just show you. Those bushes right there are about over a foot tall. So I don't know if you can see that. Right there's the top of a snowdrift. See? That's about 5 feet deep right there. I don't know if you can see that. Can you look at that? Look at this. See that? Those are bushes. I have never seen this. Look. That's about, there's the ground. A couple feet deep. You see that? Yeah, there we go. It's snowing sideways. Okay, it's about 7 a.m. and right now we are in a lake effect snow squall. Let's plaster our windows. That's a snowdrift right there. Look at this. You see this? That's our bush. Stairs, our bushes are currently under snow. Huge snowdrift. Snow on the roof. There we go. for cars under the snow. There's my rain gauge, and it pulls about 4 feet tall, so see that snow stick right there? It's about 3 or 4 feet tall. So. Blizzard of 2011. Still snowing here. Okay, I had to shovel my way to my rain gauge. You can see there. Snowdrifts are a couple feet deep easily. And our neighbor's house, they're under snow. It was just pulling a car out the ditch. Snow here, a couple feet deep. Winds have died down. There was 71 mile per hour gust at O'Hare. So nothing has been on the street except for me and some other person I saw walking. The car is totally buried. You can see, here's my rain gauge. Under the snow is still going. See. Where is it? Look at this. Isn't that amazing? There's a house. See that right there? Where is it? Oh, windy. That's a bush. It's about 4 feet tall. You can see just the whole house is almost. Here's the side of our house. Snow everywhere. Oh.